Hi, I'm a do-it-yourself farmer, fully amateur when it comes to chainsaws. I've got a Husqvarna, a little 455 Rancher, and crappy little electric one that my wife uses mostly. But I thought I'd kind of give you a show around of this new GS660 that I bought, or it's just a G660 Holzffarma. I had a little trouble starting it last night. I flooded it, and I figured out the problem was I had the wrong fuel in it. So 25 to 1 is what all the videos are recommending. I didn't see that in the booklet, but then again, I read the instructions after I fail. So if you're like me, you'll be going, how come I can't get this to run? Anyway, so a couple of things here. This is the fuel mixture settings. It says H and L, and it's got a counterclockwise with a 1 in the circle, or in the center of the circle. That's a factory setting. If you turn it all the way clockwise in till it seats, and then back it out 1 turn, that's what they recommend. So don't mess with that. It's supposed to be set at the factory. Unless you just can't get it started, maybe you might tweak with it. But I screwed with it, and then I had to reset it. So anyway, like I said, I read the instructions after I screw up. The biggest mistake, I think, was the 25 to 1 mixture. I had 50 to 1 in there, and it just didn't, I don't think it had enough firepower to get it going because everything's so tight because it's brand new. Also, another trick here is grab the handle, squeeze the triggers, and then you can put it down to the cold start mode. Don't forget to push in the compression release, and it should start for you. I had this running a minute ago, so I don't know if it's going to start. It won't in that mode. Just about. Compression release again. Let's try warm start. Compression release. Oh, it went to run mode. Not too much fuel, not enough air. Just about. It's hard for me to remember is the off is up. My Husqvarna is down. I think down makes more sense, but whatever. There you go. First cut, well, second cut. So I cut something on my practice run. Anyway, hope that helps. 25 to 1.